Fist bump? You give me a fist bump, sir. Thank you very much. And she couldn't get a picture that way. Very nice. And now, ma'am, you give me a fist bump. You know what? I think that young lady is still a little too scared, and the more I push it, the harder it's going to get, right?
Wait, one more. I gotta get the full
body. Want to get a full body? Make sure Jessica's in the back. She's checking the Facebook page right now.
I was like, well,
where was your hand? There we go. You have your hand. Tickling me.
What minute is this thing, right?
No, we're just friends. We're all friends.
That's not right.
Okay. Now, I don't want to scare them anymore, so can I wave bye-bye? Can I wave bye-bye? Hey, I can make it Dad. Why don't you go check out some of the motorhomes, okay? Want a picture? Yeah, I don't think she's ready for a picture, Dad. No, let's go. You can sit down. Okay, you're going to go see the Arriva. Yeah? They've got a 2017 Arriva. They're going to do a good deal on that. Okay, ma'am. Hey, Jessica, you wonderful. Thank you so much, and I love those glasses. They work. They work. They work. Okay, very good. Now, you know how that lady's taking a picture of my backside? Yeah, the one with the camera right behind me.
yes, she sure is.
Is that kind of awkward or what? I mean, you have people do that. Have people do that to you all the time too?
She's getting your good side.
Oh, that was cool. That was cool. You know, I always tell the children that the good side is always the inside, right? Yeah, that's okay. Now, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I get a close-up? I'm ready for my close-up right here. Here we go. Close-up, close-up, close-up. Oh, yeah. Very cool. Now, are you this good with the camera when you go inside the unit? So you check out all the good stuff in the neither used or new, right?
Yes.
Okay. What do you ride now?
What do I have now?
Yeah. What do you camp in now?
Tiffin Class A.
Class A. Oh, that's nice. Now, what year is that and how big?
2017, 37 feet.
Oh, nice, nice. So you're not really looking to upgrade quite yet, are you?
I'm looking to downgrade.
You want to? How come? Is that just too much for you?
I don't like it. I miss my pull behind with the bunkhouse.
Oh, that was a nice way to do it. Yeah. Okay, so it's not the driving it because of the pull behind is even more articulating when you have to make turns and stuff, but it's just the size and the amount of stuff that you can put in the pull behind, huh?
And the limit of places you can camp with it.
Oh, you know, that's true because the pull-through is going to be more limiting than if you have the smaller places.
And it's a diesel, so, getting...
Well, a diesel pusher is going to be able to get you up and down the mountains. Have you ever gone? Do you go through the mountains?
Not yet, because we don't want to pay the money for the diesel.
Oh.
And the availability of finding it.
Well, let's go see if they'll take a trade-in over here, shall we? Come on, Martha.
Well, you got to talk to my husband about that.
Hey, we got a Clifton diesel pusher. She's going to trade in on something a little smaller. Ma'am, he's talking to you. Why not?
I haven't even looked yet to see what you have.
We got a Class A piece. You're trying to get rid of it, right? No, so she hasn't decided yet. So she's looking to downsize a little bit. So maybe
You're at the right place if you're looking to downsize.
anyway, just walk on in. I don't get a commission. Okay, good. That's okay. Go on in.
Well, what you need to do is go find my husband.
You go find your husband?
No, you go find him, and then
How
you
about if I get
convince
you a
him.
business card? Hey, can I get a business card?
Yeah, do that.
Guys, can you give me a business card for this young lady? So she doesn't walk away and forget about you? You see, sometimes if you get so many places out here, you forget where it was that can help you out, right? It does happen sometimes. Okay?
Yes.
And Jessica's the one to help you, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, everything in there.
Now,
Thank you, Jessica.
Because he's going to make the final decision, right?
Well, he was over there, so I don't know where he went.
I don't know where he went either, but okay, all right. Let's go see if we can find him. He might be down this direction.
He's a little short
Hey,
Italian.
hubby, where's your hubby? We're looking for a hubby driving a Class A ticket, a Class A ticket diesel. You know what I'm saying?
I love this guy.
I know, isn't he great?
Hey, but is that her husband right there?
You really gotta go look for him?
No.
Is this your husband?
No, blue shirt.
Hey, oh, you're not married yet?
Every man out here's got on a blue shirt. He's got like a Hawaiian print blue shirt, well, Florida print blue shirt. I don't know where he went. He was right there.
That'd be funny if he goes up and starts saying. Did you tell him his name?
No.
Oh.
I wish I had him. Make him move right up and down on there. Peter!
Yeah! That would be hilarious.
Wait, I gotta go, man. Peace out. Give me time.
So who is controlling that thing? There's nobody in it, right?
No, I have no idea.
That's
There's like I guess there's a camera and there's a microphone. I don't know.
There's got to be
It's
somebody
strange.
right here controlling it. It's
Yeah,
weird.
It's really strange. But you know they have actual robots now.
That's
Making them. It's scary.
Well, I gotta find my husband. I have no idea where he went.